Hey guys, it's your boy Peter. So on this video, man, we're gonna talk about how to set up your EA AUTOBOT. So I'm just gonna show you how to set it up from the moment you receive the email up until you start running, guys. So pay attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share it with any Forex struggling trader that you know. So guys, I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's just get right into it, man. It's gonna be an epic one. Shout out. So the first thing that you're gonna get is this email right here. So on this email, it contains 4 files. 2 of them is your MT4 system and MT5 system, and then you've got the Forex Villa Pro logo, the developers, of course, and the picture of the EA AUTOBOT. So you just download all of them, and once you download them, you're gonna get them under your downloads. And once they're in your downloads, just open your Metatrader 4. We're gonna start with the Metatrader 4 so that we can move smoothly to the MT5, because like it's the latest version, right? So once you get to MT4, what you need to do is, you see right here, you've got your tools. So we're gonna be focusing on MetaCost Language Editor. You need to open MetaCost Language Editor, or if you prefer accessing it via here, then it's fine. So MetaCost Language Editor is gonna probably open, and then what you're installing, guys, remember you're installing an expert advisor. So just open that folder right there. After opening this folder, most of the time it contains some few indicators that you can use right there. So never mind that, you can delete them or go ahead, just like you see I've already deleted them. Then you go straight to downloads. Once you're in downloads, copy your system file for MT4. Remember, we're setting up an MT4, so you need to copy your MT4. Once you copy your MT4, copy also the EA logo and the other picture right there. I'm going to show you where to put it, and you just click copy. And then right here on the corner, you've got that back to expert, arrow that shows you to back to expert right there. And once you here, right click and paste your documents right there. So once you are there, remember this is the EA, and what you have here is not the EA. These are pictures, so you need to cut them. And over here on this they call it location, how to locate documents. So you're gonna have your MQL, and then you just click on it. Some few files are gonna pop out, and you just go to images, because remember the images, then you paste them there. You can see from my side they've already been pasted. So these are the 2 same EA. Just right click and click paste. If I click paste right now, it's gonna be duplicated. So here they are here. You see like something is popping up here, wanted me to replace, so I'm just gonna say skip this file, and nothing was copied. So there you go. Once you're done with that one, then come back to your Metatrader 4, and then just click here under advisors and refresh if your EA doesn't pop up on its own. So if it pops out, then that's good. Then you just go to any market that you want. So I'm just going to open the Euro USD, just chart it out and just enlarge it. And before you go any further, just click over here and just go to options. And once you options, just make sure you locate expert advice and allow automated trading. Disable that. So this is to disable automated trading when the account has been changed, or disable automated trading when the profile has been changed, or disable automated trading when the chart symbol or period has been changed, because you don't want to switch from another account and then maybe you're not planning to do automated trading on that account and start automated trading, and then press OK. And just make sure auto trading is also enabled from up here. This thing has to be green. If it's like that, then automated trading is disabled. Then make sure that when you attach this board, that is green. So once you attach the board, you just right click attach to the board and make sure these parameters are as defined for Euro USD on the guide, and just click OK. And just like that, you have your EA AUTOBOT. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the grid because I don't like it. Some people prefer it, I don't prefer it. So just like that, you have your EA AUTOBOT that's running. You've got your logo there, you've got your just for display there, and you've got EA AUTOBOT V2 plus MT4 Ultimate, and with a smile right there. And then you do the same for Metatrader 5. You just open Metatrader 5. It's just loading right now, and we'll keep it short, man. Easiest process ever. Yes guys, so here I have my Metatrader 5 open already. It's on Bitcoin. So just log into the account. You can log in via this tab over here and log into an account, or via file there at the top, and just open an account if you don't have, and log into an account. Whatsoever way, man, whatever you prefer. So I'm just gonna show you how to set up EA AUTOBOT V2 Plus Ultimate for MT5. So you just simply go to Tools and open Metacode Language Editor, or just simply go with EDE. And then once you're in EDE, guys, remember you've pre-downloaded your things before. So once you open that, just go to Expert and just open that folder. Remember, you're trying to install an Expert Advisor, not anything else. So once you open that folder, it's gonna pop, and then you open it up, and there's already Metaforth over there. So I'm just gonna stick to Advisors and just go to. Once I open Advisors, I'm just gonna delete all the nonsense that's already there. And then once I delete it, just to minimize the confusion, just go under downloads. Remember where you've saved your system. So just gonna copy MT5 and copy the pictures as well, and just say copy, and then back. I'm already under Advisors. Just double check there, Expect Advisors, and just paste it over there, and then just copy this, or you can cut them or copy, doesn't matter, and just go to Images and then put them over here. And once they're in Images, you can just close the window and close the Metacode Language Editor, and just go to Expect Advisor, right click, and then refresh. And then once again, I'm going to show you with this EURUSD, and you just chat window, open it up, remove the grid, and just go under Advisors. You see the EA AUTOBOT is already there, right click, and attach to chart, and then attach to chart, and say make sure you allow algo trading as well as in here, and just press OK. So another way of allowing algo trading is via here. Once it's red, it's off. Once it's green, it's okay. Another option is if you click over here and then you go to Options, and then under Options you select all those first options that you saw me select on MT4, and then there you go, you're ready to hit and run the road. So just to sum up everything, man, you just saw it, you get it, download it on your laptop, your mobile phone. If you're using VPS, of course you're gonna be needing a Windows player, just a Windows system to run the automated bot. And that's it, guys, from my side. This EA AUTOBOT is gonna be the best thing ever. Watch the next video. I'm gonna be talking about the strategy that this bot implies on the financial markets, man. Full time, man. Let's download these peps. That's all we're all about at Forex Villa. Here we go. We shouting out.